Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this Shield Burst effect in UE5 Niagara and I'll create it from scratch. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment and let's start. I'll keep this effect very simple and I have this empty map, not empty map, actually this map with this character animation. So I have this animation and this is my folder. So let's create a disk shockwave type material. So M like shockwave, or you can say ring shockwave. And we need a texture, or we can create that without texture using material nodes. But let me search a texture. So I have these, and this type of